time severe weather possible tomorrow. We're always on alert around Kentuckiana for that, especially this time of year. But at least the tornado threat is going to be low for us.
Yeah.
Yes, this is not this kind of setup where we are looking at a tornado outbreak, long track tornadoes, but we can't rule out a few spin-ups because as we know around here, those can occur even with a line of storms and they can be sneaky. So we want you to stay weather alert throughout the course of the day tomorrow. We also do have another weather impact late Sunday. This one, I think the bigger impact will be the major drop in temperatures. We're going from 70s on Sunday to 30s on Monday. Right now, unseasonably warm and muggy temperatures well into the 70s. And then, yes, of course, all eyes on the potential for strong storms tomorrow. Here's a look at temperatures across Kentuckiana at this hour. You can see all of us in the 70s, 20 plus degrees above average. Louisville, we have tied our daily record high of 78, set back on March 10th of 2009. 78 also in Shepherdsville, 75 in Hodgenville, 76 currently in E-Town. And dew points, those have increased. So you might have noticed today when you stepped outside, it's feeling a bit muggier. You can feel the humidity returning. That is as we do have that stronger southerly and southwest flow here. And that is also aiding in, of course, the threat for strong to severe storms, not only here in Kentuckiana, but across much of the region. I mean, just take a look at today's severe weather outlook. Stretches from the Great Lakes down to the Texas-Mexico border. And unfortunately, we saw an upgrade midday. This is a really concerning area that you're seeing circled in red. That's a level 4 out of 5 on the SPC outlook here. This is where you could see strong and potentially long track tornadoes. This is northern Illinois over to northern Indiana throughout this evening and tonight. And then tomorrow you'll notice a big really swath of yellow, level 2 out of 5 stretching from DC down to the Gulf Coast. So we are included in that, all of Kentuckiana, for the risk of gusty winds, hail, and yes, as we mentioned, some isolated tornado warnings as well. Your hour by hour futurecast through this evening, partly cloudy, warm, muggy temperatures in the 70s, breezy overnight. Can't rule out, you can see on the blip, there was a little radar blip there, an isolated shower or thunder shower through this evening. But most of us staying dry until tomorrow morning. And it does look like these storms will come in 2 main waves. The first wave between about 4 and 10 o'clock in the morning. And they are favoring more so off to our north, though we could have a few in Kentucky. And these would pack a punch with heavy rainfall, lightning. They could tap into some gusty wind threat as well. And then it does look like we could have a bit of a break midday as the atmosphere tries to refuel. And then with the front passing through tomorrow afternoon and evening, this is when we have the line of storms that could bring damaging winds and a few spin-up tornadoes. So make sure you stay weather alert throughout the day tomorrow. Really, all of us looking to be out of the woods by about 8 o'clock. And then just some lingering showers behind that as temperatures drop on Thursday. Clouds will decrease Thursday with a high of 52. Friday, we're back into the 60s, but expect gusty winds. Beautiful weather on Saturday. Sunday, we warm up ahead of another frontal passage late Sunday into early Monday, which will drop our temperatures from the 70s into the 30s.